Thank you for coming for another listening comprehension. As with all of our listening comprehension activities, we will not be showing you the text, but you will be required to answer questions, which means you're going to have to listen to the text. You may listen to the text multiple times to go back and find the answers, and we encourage you to do so. Let's get started. Lucas's long jump. Lucas felt like his legs and arms were pumping in slow motion. "Get your knees up," advised Coach Singleton. Lucas got ready for the long jump pit, and as he hit it, he stopped before pushing his legs forward. Coach Singleton approached Lucas and he said, "Pretty good, but you'll do better, I promise." Lucas nodded, but he was too tired to wonder what Coach meant. When all the long jumpers gathered on the field for stretches the next day, Coach announced a change of routine. The jumpers followed Coach into the locker room to find the laptop set up on the table. "Gather round," said the coach. He played a video of the 10 longest jumps of all time. The team saw one jumper moving his arms in circles as if flying through the air, and they watched another drive his legs forward and dig his heels hard into the sand. "Who wants to jump like those athletes?" asked Coach. "Son, can you hear the call of the jump? Are you interested in the challenge?" "Am I?" Lucas asked himself. "Shall I try?" Long jump lessons continued all week as the jumpers practiced, picturing themselves running to the edge of the pit and jumping forward. Lucas realized the beginning of the jump was his problem. "My mind is telling me it's impossible to push my feet in front of my body," he thought. He could imagine himself turning the jelly, and he looked over at Coach Singleton, who was smiling. "Don't stop when you reach the pit. Keep going," Coach Singleton said. So Lucas pictured himself jumping and landing, sand flying, and then rising to smile at the crowd. The time had come to meet the challenge of the jump. Now, let's look at the questions. Again, you may go back in and listen to the text again to make sure you have the correct answer. Good luck.